Thank you. My name is Chief Comrade from Nnewi South Local.
How can you be the man Ego Ndezi?
I live in Local government area. I am also the youth leader of the Igbo National Stakeholder, Lagos State. I'm also the deputy youth leader of the Igbo speaking community, Lagos State. And also the youth leader, Anambra Indigenous in Lagos. Thank you so much.
Today we celebrating the
well, it has been an unusual thing. Every year for decades now, on the yearly basis, we do that. You know, New Yam Festival is a tradition. It's a tradition and culture to the Igbos. So it's a festival we always do every year. And this year was awesome too. The dignitaries, the Igbo dignitaries in Lagos and Alimosho as a whole was here today to grace this year's edition of the event. And I thank God that everything went well. Our guests whom we expected today, they are all here. The people who are supposed to grace the occasion, they are all here. So it's a successful occasion and we are happy. We are happy. And the Alimosho people are very, very happy. Thank you so much.
As the youth leader here in Alimosho, what's your message for the youth back home in the eastern part, especially those indulging in cultism?
Well, my message to them today is to be focused. I will advise them to desist from bad characters, desist from cultists, and the other things that are against the law. And I want to advise them all to engage themselves with one or two things, because they said an idle man is a devil's workshop. So I believe that as idleness that have lured so many of them into what they are doing today, which is against the culture and also against the constitution of the land. So my advice to them is to be focused. To be focused on what they are doing, to engage themselves with one or two things, in handwork, in trading, whatever they can do to engage themselves, so that their brain and their thinking and impression can be able to, deviate from that which they are doing and which is not good. So I advise them all to focus. Because during our own time we have focus, so we didn't engage in those activities. We all, as a child, we started hustling. We started doing things that will help us both in our academic and in our growth. So we didn't find ourselves doing those things. But today we are hearing court, we are hearing even now, we are hearing Mpurumbiri here and there. So these things are things that we didn't tamper. We knew that these things are existing, but we didn't fancy them, and we didn't engage ourselves with those activities. So today my advice to the youth is to desist from Mpurumbiri, hard drugs that are not good for their system, that are not good for their health, that are not good for their future and destiny, and they should desist from it, then focus on what they should do for better tomorrow. Thank you so much.
So finally, how do you think that this kind of celebration will help to promote our culture, especially in our
the celebration we did today? Yeah, of course, it helps. It helps. Mostly, why we always do these things in Lagos is for those our children, those of us that couldn't travel home. They've been hearing about cultures but they have not witnessed them. So we are bringing these cultures in diaspora in order to, display it for our children. Those of them that was born here in Lagos, those of them that were born in diaspora, to be able to witness these things. And it will promote our culture, like you saw today. You saw different kind of cultural dances. So these are the things that promote cultures, because I believe that everyone that comes here today at least was happy based on one or two displays that they saw. So it's a good thing to promote our culture and heritage. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, like I said earlier, I am Chief Comrade Okechukwu Uzuegbunam.